Okay, so we've talked about it as a family, and today we have decided to take a ride to Tanah Lot. Now, there's a lot of crazy traffic on this route, same as to Pigstone Beach, but Tanah Lot's a really, really cool place. We haven't been there since 2017 or 2018, so it'll be a real treat to see if there's anything new or what's progressed or anything, and it's really nice, and we might be there for the sunset, so let's rock. Well, it's pretty sunny today, which means this ride is going to be hot, and I loaded up with sunscreen. Alright. In case you're wondering why you always see me wearing headphones when we leave for a trip like this, it's not because I don't thoroughly enjoy being on a beautiful beach and listening to the sound of the waves. It's just there's that moment, and you never know when it's going to be, where you just got to hear a Rush song. And making a few changes today in the logistics, I will be riding the Honda Beat. And the girls will all be riding the big Brownie today, or the PCX, but we call it Brownie. The ride has actually been pretty smooth getting out of Denpasar. I figure we're about halfway there, but the worst most certainly isn't over. So we'll see how it goes, but so far, so good. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. When you get a long stretch of road where you have no choice but to ride the left side. Tight squeeze. Now somehow I need to get over to the right. Now we got to do a sudden left. See if we can figure this out together. Hi.
How many people?
2 adults, 2 kids.
106,000.
Oh, look at that. Fits like a glove. Alright, we made it. It was actually a pretty good ride today. A hell of a lot better than when we went to Pigstone, that's for sure. Just a couple of spots of bad traffic. Anyway, we are here at Tanah Lot. It has been at least 2 years since we've been here. A perfect parking spot here, right next to another beat actually, and I want to show you something. This is called the Beat Street and it has the digital gauge. That's the only difference right there. As you can see, with all the major tourist attractions here in Bali, of which this is a big one, there's shopping. Endless shopping. Yeah, there you go. Drums, penises, shirts. So you come through that little hallway and then you come out over here and then entry. So we got to follow this way. That would be the exit. I know, grasp for the obvious. Okay, so once you get by the receipt check man there, you can see there's a pathway of more shopping. And we even got a mini mart here. And the current exchange rates, which are actually terrible. Need some sunglasses? So the girls found their first snack of the day, which will be a potato twister. And there you have it, they got their potato twisters, looks like with spicy sauce and mayo. A mighty big snake. Well, Mama thoroughly enjoyed petting the snake. That was fun to watch. Now we're headed down to the beach. You can see the water from here. Got one more of those gates to pass through right behind me there. So there's one entrance you pass through. There's another. Some nice grounds over there. I have now my second coat of sunscreen on my face. If you're coming to Bali and you're as white as me, don't play around. You will get burnt. About to head through the gate and check out the beach. Oh, wow. Awesome bird, man. No, thank you. That guy had a pretty cool bird. But what do you say we go through the gate? Oh, I just felt the power as I walked through. And here we are into the next level of Tanah Lot magic. So that there is the temple, and you can see the line of people wanting to get in right out here on the ocean side. And we just came from back there. There's fish in there, in the tide pool. It makes me want to listen to Rush's Natural Science. Whoa, you just did a super circle for us. Thank you. This is officially as close as I've ever been to Trump's golf course. Yeah! Taking a walk through the rocks while still wearing my shoes and socks. Okay, this is a blast, but I seriously gotta find some shade. I'm dripping of sweat and it is hot out here, like you can't imagine. So the water came up here and got my shoes just a little wet, but it was funny because see all these people? They all reacted and ran like it was a tsunami. Alright, so everybody's thirsty and hot, so we came up these steps and now we're headed this way to find an ice cold drink. Yes, my day is complete. I have found Coca-Cola with real sugar and ice. Alright, after cooling down with a refreshing ice cold Coke with real sugar, it is getting a little closer to sunset. And if you can hear in the background, the prayer music has begun. Whoa, that was a close one. Well, it's been a fascinating evening here at Tanah Lot. A wonderful visit. Aren't those puffy clouds just beautiful? Reminds me how much I really should have been a pilot. Alright, so we're getting very close to sunset. We did decide to stay. and it's just looking really beautiful. All right, we've decided to watch the sunset from the ledge that's over that way, so let's go check that out. I don't think we've ever been up there before. We have the Wall of Fame here, and we'll head over this way and check things out. Ooh, I can already tell the sunset's gonna be great up here. Oh, and look at that. There's a lot more nice stuff to see. All right, we're gonna go check out the sunset one last time. As everybody I walk around is trying to get a selfie or a video of some sort. I guess that includes me, doesn't it? All right, let's go find the girls and take a walk through all the selfie people. Whoa, 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 sorry. Oops, excuse me, sorry. Oh, can't go that way, pictures, whoa. There's another one right in front of us. Oh, there's another one right there. Anyone ever play Grand Theft Auto 5 and remember a car named Alfred that looks something like this? Well, I got a little surprise for you. And it's a Toyota. They're basically like the equivalent of a town car picking you up in New York. For the VIPs that come here, they get taken around in one of these. So we decided it's time to go after all. Of course, we're waiting because, anybody want to guess? The girls are... All right, so we tried a different way out from there. As you can see, the sun has set. Got a lot of scooters up here, but that's not where we're parked. So we are going to be going through these gates right here. Okay, so believe it or not, we don't remember where we parked. This place is a maze. And there's parking lots all over the place. I mean, look, there's scooters right there. But we're in a very specific part of the lot. Okay, found it. I'll be riding the beat home tonight. Got the GPS all set. It's been a long day, but a great day. So, time to ride. Alright, let's see if we can find our way out of here. Bye, To Tanah Lot. Wow, look at all the bus pariwisata. That air feels so good.